Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. You tried. Okay, I know what you say, I just can't speak. So how do you think we're gonna take this off? With a lot of makeup wipes? No. How? Makeup wipes are bad for the environment. We use these. Which one do you want? Pink or pink? Okay. It's moist. Give me your hand right now. Hand. No. Right on the hand, like that, yes. Okay, great. What it doesn't feel great. No. I don't like it. Why not? I don't know. Do we look scary? No. Beauty right here. Now we take these, and then you just, like that. Yeah. Magic. Just keep going. Just keep, don't stop. Yeah. I don't like this. Right, we're just almost done taking. My sleep paralysis demon, is that you? We're all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh, yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding, ding, ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out, so like if any zombie movies need like a zombie, y'all know who to call. I do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding, I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't... I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it. It is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my god. I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Y'all are doing peel off face masks? Sorry, honey. I do liquid. liquid latex. Oh yes, baby. We're doing it. Bet you never saw a mask like this bad boy. Skincare? More like skin scare. Let's take her off. Lovely. Wow, my skin just loves me. Yeah. I did a tutorial for this beautiful look, and it will be in the link in my profile. Please don't actually use liquid latex as a face mask. Have a great day, you guys. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. I can't talk very loud right now, if you didn't know. Yeah. Let's pull these teeth out. Yeah. I don't even know how to start. Oh, like that, I guess. And that's it. Bruh, that's terrifying. Bye-bye. Good day, you guys. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with a wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we better speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. I can't even open my mouth all the way, what? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. My skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but... Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This is my infection makeup look. So cute. Starting off by taking out the contacts, because I want to see. I did use scar wax, and scar wax is really annoying to take off, so let's take it off together. Oh boy, I think I'll start with the small ones. Oh, this is a literal prosthetic now. Oh my gosh, life hack? We can't stop there though. Oh, I gotta say, this is easier than ever English. Oh, what I was trying to say was that I've never had an easy experience taking off scar wax, and this is going really well. It's definitely the liquid latex that helps. Oh, there we go. And now the big boy. It is on my eyebrow, so hopefully my eyebrow is still there. It is! So cute! Look at that. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. My whole family's asleep because it's like 2 a.m. right now, so I'm trying to be quiet. Oh my god, I can finally see. I do like whatever it is I did to my hand here, but it's very inconvenient. Let's take it off. Nice. This makeup was so much fun to do, but oh, it took so long. Let's keep going. Ow, ow, ow. My hair's in there. It's fine, I have too much hair anyways. This entire side of my face is covered with latex, so wish me luck. I can't really move my mouth, so let's just start here. It's okay, I got this, I got this. On the good side, it's mostly gone now. And thankfully now it's just the easy part left. Nightmare fuel. And honestly, I'm not even gonna try to wash this off, I'm just gonna go shower. It's the next morning and I'm all clean now.